Hey guys, so I've been using MIUI 12.5 for a few days now, and I can say Xiaomi has fixed the second biggest issue of MIUI. The first one is adware and some bloatwares which use your personal data to show you ads accordingly. I don't know when they'll fix it. And the second biggest issue which they have fixed is RAM management. So yeah, in this video I'll show you guys the interface changes. I'll show you guys a speed test RAM comparison between MIUI 12 versus MIUI 12.5, and also when it is coming to your devices. So before starting, I've got a question for you all. Which smartphone skin are you using right now? Oxygen OS versus stock Android, MIUI, One UI, iOS? Comment down right now. So back to MIUI 12.5, and this is a near final beta firmware I've been using right now, and I haven't found any lags or bugs. Many users are already using it as their daily driver, so it is fine. Okay, so kicking things with the boot animation, we have a sound now with 3D MIUI logo. The lock screen is same, no difference at all. The power menu has got a redesign, it's more like one-way swipe. You have got two options, power off and reboot. So extra options are now gone, the airplane mode is now gone. The volume key interface has also got a redesign, and I really like the new one. It blurs the background and also give you D&D option without expanding. You won't find a huge interface difference in home screen. What you will find is the quick settings has got a huge improvement. You can now expand it while keeping the brightness slider stick to the bottom. You can also shrink it without sliding down to find the small gesture bar, which is right now the case in MIUI 12. So a huge change indeed. The application interface is quite same. I haven't seen any huge difference. What I've seen is a huge animation difference. They have cut down the extra animation which made it more cartoonish. It's now simple and fast. Yeah, you'll also find some new animations while installing an application and removing them. Xiaomi says it's light in weight and fast, and I can agree with that. Yeah, also one more thing, 60Hz feels more choppy now and 90Hz feels smooth. So maybe that's cause they want it to look like that, but yeah, these are some animation differences which looks good. Now settings has got a major redesign in some micro settings. They have merged the wallpaper and theme section into personalization, and it looks quite good now. Like a single interface where you can change icons, change always on display settings, fingerprint animation, font, ringtone, so all at one place, and bottom we have themes option too. Privacy has also got a different design. You can now manage sensitive permission and also scan the risk of privacy, like if MIUI found anything suspicious about an application, warn you. Overall, you've got a lot of control over the application, which is a nice thing. Now comes something which was really important, like Xiaomi actually lost to S21 Ultra Exynos variant only cause of MIUI 12 RAM issue. So a good hardware was let down with a poor software, and now with the MIUI 12.5, they have finally fixed the poor RAM management. See, they won't mention it in specific, like it's been years you have been using MIUI with terrible RAM management. Even Xiaomi is aware of this and they have fixed it silently. So I wanna share with you guys the RAM management comparison I did with the Xiaomi Mi 10, MIUI 12 versus MIUI 12.5, and I was shocked to see MIUI 12 reloaded almost all the applications from the memory, which is quite bad cause this one comes with 8 gigs of RAM and we have iPhone with 4 gigs of RAM doing a better job in keeping applications into the memory. So yeah, you can see with the MIUI 12.5 things were different. Mi 10 kept not 1, not 2, but all the applications into the memory. So really impressive job done. So there it is guys, MIUI 12.5. The official rollout starts Q2 2021, which is after April. However, you can install the China ROM right now from XGA. So I'm looking forward to MIUI 13 now. You can subscribe if you want to get all the latest news and reviews. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.